People, come closer. Hey! This nurse lady right into me and she said, Nadia, I have a man in Jamaica. Me and him relationship are going good. Everything nice, everything sweet. The boy treat me like a queen. Hey, me and him have couple future plans together, yeah? Because me I buy a couple car and me and him are going a Utah tour together. And we buy a piece of land and me and him are going to build a nice house together, yeah? Because him are going to run the Utah tour business where me and him are set up. And me da, America do the nursing thing. So the two of we are going to put together and build a future together, yeah? Everything plan out nice, yeah? But when me dey America and stuff like that, me FaceTime him every day. We FaceTime. But hey, during this last FaceTime what we have, things kinda look fishy still. So me say, Mama, what this up? So she said, boy Nadia, me and him a FaceTime and conversation are going nice and stuff like that, and all of a sudden, because him have a little 3-year-old son, all of a sudden the little 3-year-old son run in the room and bunks up in him and the phone go drop out there. And when the phone drop out there and the phone drop and cock up so when me look, me I see somebody lie down on the bed in a baggy and brassiere. So she say, who that on the bed? My man say, nobody there on the bed. So same time the little 3-year-old, yeah, get out and say, Tiffany lie down on the bed. Mama said, she said, who named Tiffany? But the boss get so hungry at the little pit, they said, come out the house, and run the little boy out of the house. So Mama said, who that named Tiffany? My man said, little pitney have a imagination friend. And the imagination friend was named Tiffany. And to see pitney imagination and all little pitney love have imaginary friend. So Mama say start cuss because he say what kind of imaginary friend story this year tell me when me sit out of me 2 eyeball them say somebody lie down on the bed in a orange banty and one purple brassiere. So what kind of imaginary friend that lie down on bed while me see out of my 2 eye? So him and the man catch up on the phone and the man say, you don't believe me? You don't trust me? Hey, what kind of sitting that me I tell you? Me tell us nobody don't lie down on the bed. And the man getting nine talkings and hang up the phone. Boom! So me say, Mama, what you do after? So she said, boy, Nadia, me sit down here like Alice in Wonderland, don't know what to do. Because me and him already buy one car and one of the little, 7-seater them. And we plans are in motion. And right now, it's like she don't know what to do. You understand? She at lost for words. So I say, Mama, tell me something. The man have any money in the car? And he said, no, I fear money was she sent down from foreign. But him source it, yeah, because him import them from Japan or whatever. And him make sure so they get the best deal and shop around and do everything feet and stuff like that. But I really and truly fear money buy the car. So I said, Mama, we are going to do? She said, boy, Nads, me no know because we even have a piece of land together and we did a plan to build a house together. So me no know what to do right now. So she has said to me, Nadia, me really and truly want the public respond as to what the public will feel about this or how, because me at a standstill, me don't know what to do with my life, me don't know what to do with myself. Me kinda in a limbo right now. People. Imaginary friend. Hey. Some man wicked. Hey, what in the gaslighting is not that, eh? That is real gaslighting, because if Mama says she see with her eyes them what a go on. And she see everything what go on. She see the lady lie down on the bed in her purple brassiere and all these things. And Mr. Man say imaginary friend to Rockstone. People don't know how to feel about this one in the comment section. section. If I need help, she can read the comments and pick up on the self. Peace. I'm out. Bye.